What is up, everyone? This is Multitrolls here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your laptop not turning off after you click the shutdown button on your Windows 10 or 11 device. So let's get around to this. So if you basically press this shutdown button and nothing happens, there's a few reasons to why this is happening. So the first thing you want to do to fix this issue is you want to right click into your taskbar at the bottom and click into Task Manager. And in here, it's entirely possible, like you see over here, one or all of these apps are not closing for some reason, hence why your computer's not turning off. This actually happens on Windows and Mac for some reason. It might not be asking you because the computer's slow or glitching, or is just not closing. So you want to right click into them and end the task from here and then try again, or see if that just turns it off. If not, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your search bar and type in power options. Basically, we're going to go to this power options section. This is the easiest way to go here, and click into choose what the power button do. And then in here, we're going to change this specific settings by clicking into this and turning off or unchecking the turn on fast startup section over here. This will fix a lot of these issues, so I want you to basically try this as well. The final thing to do is go to your search bar and type in CMD, right click into it, run as administrator, and in here we're going to basically type in the command power CFG space H off, which is basically going to turn off hibernation mode on your Windows device. Do this, try the restart, or basically shut down again, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please smash it up. Guys, and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell on that. Multitrolls out. Peace.